Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to my page this morning. And today we'll be looking at circle geometry. Like we always said, we'll continue with circle geometry, and wherever we have a problem, we're going to look at the theorem that best supports the solution to the problem, because there are so many theorems in circle geometry. So let's look at this one. Calculate the length of a chord of a circle of radius 26 cm if the chord is 10 cm from the center of the circle. So we're going to look at it. This diagram explains all the grammars written here. But let's look at it. Calculate the length of the chord of a circle. Now, the chord of a circle is the line that cuts from one end of the circumference of a circle to the other end of the circumference of the circle, provided that that line is not passing through the center of the circle. An example is this. This is the circumference of the circle. Whenever you see a circle, that outer line, that outer boundary is the circumference. When a line cuts from one end to the other end, as long as that line is not passing through the center of the circle, that line is called a chord. So this AB is the chord of this circle. That is the distance they are asking us to find the length. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, they said the radius of the circle is 26 cm. The radius is the line that cuts from the center of the circle to one part of the circumference. So that is the distance OA, and it is 26 centimeter. If the chord is 10 cm from the center of the circle, now this is the chord, and this is the center of the circle O. The distance between the center of the circle to the chord is 10 cm. That's this 10 cm. Don't forget, our M is the midpoint of the chord. The midpoint of AB is M. All right, so let's calculate. Let's solve to find the solution to this question. But first, we're going to bring out this right angle triangle out. Let's bring it out. Now, from this right angle triangle, it is obvious that we can use Pythagoras theorem to actually solve the problem. Now, from Pythagoras theorem, the length OA squared is equal to the length OM squared plus the length AM squared. Don't forget that in Pythagoras theorem says that the length of the hypotenuse is side facing the 90 degrees, so, and it is the longest side. That the square of the length of the longest part of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that is Pythagoras rule. Let us state it. Pythagoras rule. This is the rule we are using. So let's continue. OA square is 26 square is equal to OM square. OM square is 10 squared plus AM is unknown, so we'll still maintain it at AM squared. Now let's make AM the subject of the formula. If we make AM subject of the formula, AM squared, subject of the formula, it will be equal to 26 squared. This 10 crosses and becomes minus 10 squared. And don't forget, this will give us equal to 26 squared will give us 676. So I'm going to get 676 minus 10 squared will give us 100. And by the time we do our simple arithmetics, we're going to get 676 minus 100, and this will give us that AM squared will give us equal to 576. Now, don't forget that to remove the square in AM, we have to take square root of both sides. So it means that AM without square now, just length AM will be equal to the square root of 576, which will be equal to 24 cm. So don't forget that 24 cm is just the length AM, which is half of the chord, like I said before. So to get the full length of the chord, which is AB, we have to multiply this 24 cm by 2. So therefore, length AB is equal to 24 times 2, which is equal to 48 cm. Comment and share. And if you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.